All right, it's summertime. It's time for a corn roast when you get a whole ton of corn, and that is the staple of your meal. It's a great way to add a little bit of oomph to your hamburger and hot dog party that might be getting a little old this time of year. So the great way to make a ton of corn for a lot of people is actually to soak it. This means you don't have to shuck your corn. Other people can do it for themselves. So just get a lot of corn and soak it in some water for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then you put it on the grill. I got a grill. It's on about low, medium heat. Now the corn will not burn because it's wet. It's also sort of fun, right? It's like a water balloon, sort of. But you just throw them right on the grill. The husks and the silks won't burn because it's been soaking for about 30 minutes. Everyone shucks their own ears. They do it themselves, so you don't have to. Easiest party ever. And it sounds so festive. Corn roast? I mean, you can just imagine the invitation, right? I'm soaking wet now, but I'm having a great time, and now I'm going to make some butters to go on my corn. First of all, something I'm not making, but that goes great on corn, pesto. You can just buy this at the grocery store. It's delicious on corn, fantastic. I have 2 bowls that I've started here. Both of them just have regular butter in them, and one I'm going to make an herb butter, basil, rosemary, thyme, classic, and I'm just gonna chop those up and put them in the butter. You don't have to worry about how finely do I chop them? Don't worry too much about this. It's a summertime party and it's gonna be perfect no matter what. But you definitely wanna use fresh herbs. That's the most important thing with this. You do not wanna use dried herbs. Fresh herbs are one of the great things about summer. Use them. All right, so that's it. We've made our herb butter. That's how you make herb butter. If anybody ever tells you it's more complicated than that, don't believe them. And then you just mash it up with a fork. And that's how fancy the corn roast gets. And then the next one I'm going to do spicy because I like that. That one's for me. I'm just going to take some chipotle peppers and I'm going to cut one up. Just chop it. And you put that right in and you mix that together. And that's your spicy butter. That's your spicy chipotle butter. Okay, the corn is done and look at that. Beautiful golden corn. It's perfect, and this is going to be the star. I would say get at least 3 ears per person because people are going to love this at your corn roast.